Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture and Zoom. So once you're in your Zoom account on your in the browser or on your computer, if you have the downloaded app on your PC, you can easily change your profile picture. So in the app, you click your account on the upper right hand side, you can see right here that you have your picture. And so from here, you can go ahead and you can access your profile. So if you hover over that, you'll find profile. You can click my profile. What it's going to do is it's going to open up the web browser version, and within the web browser version you will have the option to click on your picture on the left right here. So once you click on that, you will see the current picture, and of course you can click on change, then choose or take a photo or delete. I'm going to choose, for example, and let's find something on the PC that we can choose here. So we're going to choose, for example, this picture here, then click on save. And so once you save this within the profile of Zoom, as you can see right here, it's going to also take effect and change in the application as well. And as you can see in the Windows app or the PC app, you can see that the picture is changed as well. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily change your profile picture in Zoom.